We're currently taking temperatures of the hot water to add these pictures, these temperature pictures on our inspection report. So that way we show proof that the water heater was in working conditions. In case if for some reason the water heater goes out, we have proof to show the home warranty company that the heating unit was in working conditions on the day of the inspection. So all hot water temperatures are taken in bathtubs, showers, or faucets. Same thing with the AC and heating unit. At all vents, we take AC cold temperatures and heating temperatures as well. All those, you will see those on the inspection report showing proof that they were in working conditions.
Good to know.